Hi, I'm Josh from Root. In demo 1 of this series, we took a live public liability product and showed you how you can use an AI coding assistant like Cursor with Root's AI context file to add 2 new covers to create a full SME combined product. We updated the ratings, pricing logic, documents, and customer-facing front end, all from a single prompt. In this demo, we're going to show you how that same product can be white labeled and set up for distribution with a new partner without writing any custom code. On screen, we have our combined SME cover product that is currently sold by Peak District Insurers, our fictional firm. Notice that the policy schedule and other documents contain Peak District's logo and branding. What we want to do now is white label the same SME cover product so that it can be sold by another firm. This is particularly useful for insurers and MGAs who have manufactured an insurance product that can be sold by different distributors into their customer bases without having to re-engineer the product each time. To do this, we're going to use a feature on Root called data stores. A data store is a set of fields within the product code that references external data linked to a specific key. So instead of hard coding values like logos or contact details into the product code, these values are pulled dynamically from the data store. For our demo, we're going to create a fictional distributor, imaginatively called test company, and we'll add a brand, color, and logo under a specific user group ID. Using Cursor again, we're going to update the product module code from within Root's product builder. In our prompt, we're instructing Cursor to add dynamic branding to a product module and replace the hard-coded brand name, logo, and colors by fetching branding from a data store based on the user group ID of the user who created the application. This means that when an agent or customer of our test company creates a new application for a policy, all policy documents and information will have test company's name and branding. Now that the changes have been made by Cursor, let's run through what's been updated. The product code has been updated to replace fields that were previously hard-coded with Peak District Insurer's name, brand colors, logo with dynamic fields. All elements of the product, including policy schedules and other documents, are now responsive and change based on the firm selling the product. All that's left to do now is publish the changes, so we'll give the RP push command. Back on the policies view on Root, let's look at a policy that's been created by the test company for Bruce Wayne. While the product and cover details for our combined SME cover product have not changed, the name, logo, and branding have all been updated to show the testing company instead of Peak District. Customer notifications, like the email notification sent when binding cover, are also dynamically updated. The important thing to note about using user groups on Root is that each distributor will have their own API key to issue policies under. This allows insurers and MGAs to keep distributors' data and policies segregated, policies marked by user group, and each distributor will only be able to see their own data and policies. So, to summarize, in demo 1, we showed you how to build a modular commercial insurance product with multiple covers using Root's AI-ready product builder tooling. And in this demo, we've shown you how you can white label products for a new distribution partner using Root's low-code product builder. No custom platform code deployments, no separate build needed, and no waiting. In our next demo, we'll go one step further and show you how to onboard a new distributor from scratch, set up their branding, and issue a live policy under their user group.